Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about the top interview questions for AWS Cloud Practitioner. So let's get started. Question number 1, what is AWS in cloud computing? Your answer is Amazon Web Services refers to an advanced and evolving cloud computing platform provided by Amazon. Moreover, it provides a combination of services that includes infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Question number 2, what is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud? Your answer is Amazon EC2 service, better known as Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, that provides customers a resizable and scalable computing capacity while using the cloud. Moreover, using EC2 service, the client is able to launch as many virtual servers as possible. And, in each of these virtual servers, the client is able to manage storage as well as configure security. Question number 3, define Amazon S3? Your answer is Amazon S3 is a simple storage service that has an S3 interface which stores and retrieves any amount of data, at any time and from anywhere on the web. Not to mention, S3 has the payment model that is pay-as-you-go. Question number 4, what is AWS Cloud Certification? Your answer is AWS certification by Amazon Web Services helps to get cloud experience that an IT professional earns after passing one or more exams by the public cloud provider. Moreover, the IT professionals achieving AWS certifications will be able to demonstrate and validate their cloud technical knowledge and skills. Question number 5, do AWS and Azure have similarities? Your answer is Amazon Web Service is a cloud service that is introduced by Amazon, whereas Azure is a cloud service by Microsoft. However, both the cloud services help businesses to grow by providing services in various domains like network, storage, and compute. AWS has a simple storage service which is considered the longest running. On the other hand, Azure uses Storage Block Bob as a storage service. AWS is good for IaaS or a large range of services, and for PaaS, or window integration, Azure provides a good service. Question number 6, what is the process for securing your data in the cloud? Your answer is in cloud computing, security is important and it must be ensured that no individual or organization is able to take the data of a client while in a transition from one point to another, and also there shouldn't be any leakage of information. However, one of the most effective ways of securing information is by segregating it, and then encrypting the same by one of the agreed options. Question number 7, what are the different services offered by Amazon Cloud Computing? Your answer is the services of cloud computing in AWS includes: firstly, PaaS. It stands for Platform as a Service. Secondly, IaaS. It refers to Infrastructure as a Service. Then, SaaS is Software as a Service. Question number 8, what do you understand by AWS pricing? Your answer is AWS pricing is a pay-as-you-go approach for pricing for over 160 cloud services. Moreover, with AWS you only have to pay services you need for as long as you use them. And, this do not require any long-term contracts or complex licensing. Question number 9, what is geo-targeting in CloudFront? Your answer is geo-targeting is a concept where businesses can show personalized content to their audience based on their geographic location without changing the URL. This helps you create customized content for the audience of a specific geographical area, keeping their needs in the forefront. Question number 10, you are trying to provide a service in a particular region, but you do not see the service in that region. Why is this happening, and how do you fix it? Your answer is not all Amazon AWS services are available in all regions. When Amazon initially launches a new service, it doesn't get immediately published in all the regions. They start small and then slowly expand to other regions. So, if you don't see a specific service in your region, chances are the service hasn't been published in your region yet. However, if you want to get the service that is not available, you can switch to the nearest region that provides the services. Question number 11, what is an elastic transcoder? Your answer is to support multiple devices with various resolutions like laptops, tablets, and smartphones, we need to change the resolution and format of the video. This can be done easily by an AWS service tool called the Elastic Transcoder, which is a media transcoding in the cloud that exactly lets us do the needful. It is easy to use, cost-effective, and highly scalable for businesses and developers. Number 12. What are some of the security best practices for Amazon EC2? Your answer is: security best practices for Amazon EC2 include using identity and access management to control access to AWS resources, restricting access by only allowing trusted hosts or networks to access on an instance, only opening up those permissions you require, and disabling password-based logins for instances launched from your AMI. Question number 13. What is the difference between stopping and terminating an EC2 instance? Your answer is: while you may think that both stopping and terminating are the same, there is a difference. When you stop an EC2 instance, it performs a normal shutdown on the instance and moves to a stopped state. However, when you terminate the instance, it is transferred to a stopped state, and the EBS volumes attached to it are deleted and can never be recovered. Question number 14. What are key pairs in AWS? Your answer is: the key pairs are password-protected login credentials for the virtual machines that are used to prove our identity while connecting the Amazon EC2 instances. The key pairs are made up of a private key and a public key which lets us connect to the instances. Question number 15. Can you list different types of CloudWatch? Your answer is: there are only two types in CloudWatch that are basic monitoring and detailed monitoring. However, the basic monitoring is free but the detailed monitoring is chargeable. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.